Hi, my name is Debbie Horn, and I'm from Greenfield, Indiana, and I want to tell you about the ultimate needle threader and needle inserter that I got from MadamSew. I do a lot of machine embroidery, which makes a lot of stitches and requires frequent needle changes. And I also do a fair amount of sewing, which also means I do a lot of needle changes. The hardest part for me is holding that little needle up there and having it in the right orientation and having everything under there while you're trying to screw it back in the right orientation. It took me so long, and I found this on Madame Sew, and I absolutely love it. They aren't particularly expensive. They have a little hole that you put the needle in. It keeps it oriented in the right direction, so you can easily insert it into your machine while you tighten the screw with the other hand. After I tried it out, I actually went back on Madame Sew and bought several so I could hand them out to the ladies in my sewing group.